This is Deli in the Alley festival that we're coming up to. We're gonna do a nice video, YouTube video. We're not that far from downtown Detroit. Maybe about 10 or 12 minutes driving on 2nd Street. This street right here, they're going this way, is Prentice. And this is a festival that they do every year. Hopefully my hand doesn't get tired. We'll do a little walkthrough. I do photography too, so that's another reason why I'm down here. But we'll check out this Detroit festival. We'll see some pretty cool things. I'm hoping that I don't have to go through a bag check or nothing like that. But yeah, if you want to see this festival in Detroit, I thought I saw somebody I knew. I'll show you what it's all about. I got a Bronx bar right there. That place is, got some dancing going on. That place is really good for, I got a hamburger there one time. It might get a little bit loud, so I won't talk as much, but we'll do as much as we can. Yeah, 2nd and Prentice. If you ever want to come to this festival in Detroit, it's usually on first, second week of September. Time's going by fast, isn't it? Like 2025. You'll see a lot of cool things too. I know the first like minute and a half gets a little bit boring, like the walkthrough, but you're gonna see this this festival right here. So we're gonna walk through. I'm so glad I don't have to go through a bag check or nothing like that. Oh yeah, I do. Oh no, that's we'll walk through here. That's good they have security though. Like, I shouldn't really complain. You know, the way the world's going. So this is it right here. We're going to intro to the festival. I try to do my best to not like videotaping people's faces. So if the camera gets a little bit off center, I apologize in advance. But I'm glad I came out. You got quality roots, recreational weed in the state of Michigan. Good dog. But yeah, you can see the stage way down there. The festival goes a little bit this way too. We'll do a left. We'll do a left at this right. The dope spot. Used to be the mayor, Kwame Kilpatrick, used to be the mayor of Detroit. But yeah, you get a lot of different types of people out here. We'll make a left because it looks like we got something going on. We'll cut through here. So we're looking at beer, $8, 2 for $15. Wine, 2 for $15. Cider, $9. You know, you make of that whatever you want. I think it's a little bit high, but usually the festivals they're a little bit high, you know? We're gonna go over here, kind of readjust. But yeah, you see, it's a pretty cool vibe out here, you know? We're gonna come over here. Try not to like videotape with people, but hey, look. So you're getting an idea right now what this festival is all about. You know, you got people here dancing. Fork in Nigeria, I've had their food before. Usually you could find them around 7 Mile in Livernois, but they got some really good food. This is mainly just food right here. I know I'm gonna run into somebody I know. We're gonna go down here. Cause here, I'll cross it. It's just food down there. But I'll show you kind of like, see, it's just all food down there. Got an older photographer right there. We'll come down here to where there's more going on. You'll see quite a bit. Hope you're still watching. I see some Jamaican colors. But yeah, you get a lot of different types of people out here. I'm not too sure how you can become like a vendor down here to sell your things, but I'll put a website or two in the description section. A lot of Wayne State people live around here. All different types of people, but mainly people for going to the college, you know? I see a Jamaican flag over there. Yeah, you're looking at it right now. I'm gonna make a couple walkthroughs, do one with my camera. But we'll go down here. We'll end up doing like a whole little tour. And it's like about 68, 70 degrees. So it's not really too warm. It's actually a really good day. You know, if you want to be in shorts, you can, or if you want to be like in a longer sleeve shirt like mine, you can do that too. Yeah, but you get all this right here. Yeah, you get beer and merchandise. You got to be patient with people too. Walking. I'm gonna come over here. That's a nice cannon. See, it wouldn't bother me stopping like that if I wasn't doing a video. But coming through. Trans rights are human rights. So you get a lot of artists, a lot of different type of people. And this is a side of Detroit that if you've never been here to the city, you'd probably never see something like this. And there's a little bit more to go. It's probably gonna be a 20-minute video, guys. I'm doing this on my phone. We're gonna keep going. Do a little bit less talking. Usually they're setting up to do a performance. Got different types of stages. I think that's beer and water over there. I told you the prices for that. Glad I was able to get through here. See that normally they're playing right there. We'll keep walking. See, down there is just going more towards to where the food places are. So we'll come through here. Yeah, this is oh, and I'll show you something right up here on the tree. Like they have art up on they have artwork up on the tree. And I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but I believe you can like bid on that artwork. So if you're like walking through here and you see like a piece of art or something like that, like I believe like you can go to that and you can purchase the artwork. I'm not 100% sure. I'm like 50-50. It's gonna get loud. Excuse me, guys. I can smell a lot of weed smoke. I don't know if it's coming from that tent over there or what. But yeah, we're 420 friendly here in the state of Michigan. That's just stage. We'll go through here. But you see a lot of people selling stuff. Posters. You get a little bit of everything. I kind of do one of these. King of the Curb. Maybe I'll get somebody that's down here today to watch this video. I like doing videos when other people see it. That's nice. See, that's me right there in the mirror. See it? But yeah, this is what it's all about. We're gonna go over by that stage. Detroit Symphony Orchestra. You got a lot of different people. Sometimes it's really warm too. Like it's a really good temperature. Keeping it cool, brand. A lot of people showing off their brands. Yeah, this is, I'm gonna kind of go a little bit faster. But yeah, you got jewelry, shirts, lotions, that right there. I'm gonna go faster. But normally, like when this isn't going on, it's just like a university area. You see people live up there. Detroit Lions. But yeah, you can see, like, you know, it's pretty peaceful. I think this is like down there isn't really anything, it's just like the bathrooms. But yeah, you got places to eat, places to get some stuff, music. I want to say this has been going on for like 25, 30 years. But like, cut through here. But yeah, this is it right here. We'll kind of walk over here. Sunglasses. That guy right there, he's got the videotape set up. So that's like a couple grand right there. You know, I got my camera with me, but whenever I do videos and stuff, I always look at, you know, what other people have, kind of like study. Hope I'm showing good amount of video right here. I just don't want to walk right in the crowd. We'll go see that stage. We won't walk all the way up because it's just going to be really, really loud. But see, like the University, Wayne State's back there. You know, sometimes I think like, oh, see, I'll come right over here. That's what it's like. But yeah, that food smells good. That's the main, I think that's like the main stage. I like that hat, photographer. I think I've seen him at events before. We'll do a little bit more of the video.
How we feeling this afternoon?
Yeah, it's pretty nice. We got food set up over here. We didn't go through here. We'll go up to the light. Then we'll end this video. I really appreciate it all. Yeah, it's very, you can see like they have like pretty much everything for sale. A lot of different types of cameras that people have, and camcorders, stuff like that. Yeah, you got a lot of people signing for the petition. Look at that up there. That'd be a nice thing to have. A lot of Detroit stuff. Yeah, this is very cool. I know I'm gonna run into somebody, but yeah, normally like, well, people live over here, but this is a regular street. Michigan, Ghostface. Yeah, this is a different part of Detroit. You know, Detroit's a big city. You're seeing a good, you know, the good vibe, different type of people. Through here.
Okay, I'll see you. I'll try and meet you guys later, but I'm gonna get a cookie.
Yeah, but this is where it is. Barbecue. Kind of stuck. Yeah, this is free too. You know what I noticed though? It's like most people like, yeah, well, I'll wait. Most people when I walk, like in festivals and stuff, it's almost like people are like in a coma. You know, like I do a lot of exploring and stuff like that. But you'd be surprised at like just how many people's stuff I find, like credit cards, driver's license, or like I see people like doing stuff. It's hard to explain what I'm trying to explain right now. But it's like people are unaware of their surroundings big time. Like I notice, even when I'm doing a video like this or exploring video, I try to make sense of what's going on around me. So if you're watching this video and you've made it this far, that's my word of advice. Enjoy life, enjoy going to places, but always be aware of your surroundings, you know? Because I go around a lot in the city. And Mackenzie House, this is a nice place. But anyways, I hope you like this video, and I'm gonna get out my camera, start down there, take some photos, and let me know what you think in the comment section.